Hello and welcome to Psoriasis on YouTube. We cover all things psoriasis on this channel. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay up to date on all things psoriasis. Psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune condition that affects the skin, causing red, itchy, and scaly patches. While there is no definitive cure for psoriasis, managing the condition often involves a combination of medications, lifestyle changes, and dietary adjustments. One aspect of lifestyle modification that individuals with psoriasis may consider is their diet, and unfortunately that may mean re-evaluating their relationship with certain foods, including pizza. Inflammatory ingredients. Pizza often contains ingredients that can contribute to inflammation in the body. For instance, the processed meats commonly found on pizza, such as pepperoni and sausage, are high in saturated fats and can promote inflammation. Individuals with psoriasis may find that reducing their intake of inflammatory foods helps manage the symptoms of their condition. Gluten concerns. Many traditional pizza crusts are made with wheat flour, which contains gluten. While the link between gluten and psoriasis is not universally agreed upon, some individuals with psoriasis report improvements in their symptoms when they adopt a gluten-free diet. Therefore, it might be worth exploring gluten-free pizza alternatives or other types of cuisine that don't rely heavily on gluten-containing grains. Dairy dilemmas. Dairy products, including cheese, are common pizza toppings. Some individuals with psoriasis find that dairy can exacerbate their symptoms. While the relationship between dairy and psoriasis is complex and varies from person to person, those with the condition may choose to experiment with reducing or eliminating dairy from their diet to see if it positively impacts their skin. High sugar content. Pizza sauces often contain added sugars, which can contribute to inflammation and may negatively affect skin health. Managing psoriasis involves minimizing triggers that can worsen inflammation, and a diet high in refined sugars is generally considered inflammatory. Processed foods and preservatives. The convenience of ordering pizza can come at a cost for those with psoriasis. Many store-bought and restaurant pizzas are laden with preservatives, additives, and other processed ingredients. These substances may not only contribute to inflammation, but can also trigger allergic reactions or sensitivities in some individuals. While enjoying a slice of pizza every now and then may not be inherently harmful for everyone with psoriasis, it's essential for individuals managing this condition to be mindful of their dietary choices. Experimenting with an anti-inflammatory diet, which may involve reducing or eliminating certain pizza ingredients, could be a step toward finding relief from psoriasis symptoms. As with any dietary changes, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure that the adjustments align with an individual's overall health needs. Remember, a balanced and personalized approach to diet and lifestyle is key in managing psoriasis and promoting overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up on all things psoriasis. Take care and be well.